Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix an Android phone that is emergency calls only. If your Android phone displays emergency calls only, it means the device can connect to your mobile carrier's network for regular calls, texts, or mobile data. This can happen because of signal issues, SIM card problems, network settings, or account-related concerns. To begin, unlock your Android phone and check whether you are in the area with adequate cellular coverage. Then move to a different location and see if the signal improves. Turn airplane mode on and wait about 30 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off and allow the phone to reconnect to the network. Then restart your phone. Now remove the SIM card from the device and inspect the SIM card for dirt, dust, or visible damage. Reinsert the SIM card securely into the tray, then open the control panel. Ensure that mobile network is enabled. Choose network operators and choose your carrier automatically on this section if that option is available. Check for Android software updates and install any available updates. If the issue persists, contact your mobile carrier to verify that your account, SIM card, and network service are active and functioning properly. Additional tips: test the SIM card in another compatible phone if possible, and make sure your phone is not carrier locked to a different network. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.